Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if the alarms and the clock app is not opening or not working or not loading properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select installed apps. In search apps you just need to search for clock, CLOCK. Comes up a Windows clock. Click on this three dot icon and select advanced options. Just need to scroll down, click on the repair option. After getting repair done, go ahead and check whether the problem solved or not. If the problem persists, then you just need to select the reset option and now select the reset. After getting reset done, you just need to close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.